A very pleasant good morning to everyone. Myself, Pastor of Class 7, standing before you to speak about the role of science and technology in the upliftment of our nation. Science and technology plays a fundamental role in improvement of agriculture, education, economic growth, transportation, security in our borders, etc. The main difference between a rich country and poor country is rich country will have the most advanced technology as compared with poor country. We Indians will use science and technology in many ways like in agriculture. To produce food for all growing population, we adopt many methods to get more yield in less time in farming and harvesting. Next, in medicine, with the help of our advanced science and technology, we make new ways of treatments, drugs, vaccines, etc. India's IIT Bombay Tata Memorial Center Immuno Act has developed Next CAR 90. It is the first India's development on CAR T-cell therapy. This is a future generation treatment for blood cancer patients and also at low cost. Not only that, our India has done many vaccines to prevent our people from corona.
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I am Masira of 8th standard. Today is an Education Day. Now I am here to express the role of science in upliftment of the nation. Firstly, the role of science in upliftment of nation means what is the role of science in developing the country. Nowadays, science improves the quality of health, it enhances healthcare systems, science develops sustainable energy sources, it enhances global competitiveness, science develops our critical thinking skills and problem solving skills, it also promotes social inclusion and it enhances from access education. If we neglect science, we can't get our proper investment skills. So all the citizens must know about the science and technology because we get our skills and knowledge from the science. Also, science has helped us in many ways, like the farmers. For example,
A very pleasant good morning to everyone. My name is Sandhana from class 7 standing in front of you to explain about the role of science in uplifting a nation. Science plays a very important role in uplifting a nation. We use the science and technology in many ways like in agriculture, transportation, security in borders, making new innovations and etc. Science plays a very important role in uplifting a nation by economic growth through technological innovation in sectors like improving healthcare standards and building hospitals with specialized world-class technology, strengthening national security through advanced defense systems, improving agricultural productivity and enhanced reduces food productivity. Science has played a very important role for the development of India. For example, Green Revolution. Scientific research in agriculture production led to the development of highly yielding wheat.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Raya, I am from 8th standard. Today I am here to speak a few words about the role of science in upliftment of the nation. Nowadays, science is becoming an important part of our life. We get up early in the morning from ringing of our alarm clocks and go to bed at night after switching off all the lights. All these luxuries we are able to afford it because of the resultant of science and technology. Most importantly, how we can do all this in a short time. It is because of the advancement of science and technology. A nation's scientific development acts as a progress, impacting everything from healthcare and agriculture to communication and infrastructure, essentially shaping the quality of life for its citizens. By investing in research and co-starring in innovation, a country cannot only solve pressing challenges but also propel itself towards it.
good morning to everyone. I am Anshuli of class 9 and I would like to speak a few words on the role of science uplifting a nation. Science plays a crucial role in uplifting a nation and it enhances agriculture productivity, addressing environmental challenges, boosting education and innovation, and it also helps the nation to develop, and it also proves that the competitiveness and the spirit and the growth of the growth of the country on the global stage. Economic development. The scientific research helps the country to lead the topmost countries and help their wealth and get new job opportunities and there will be a no unemployment and technology and efficiency of manufacturing. A very pleasant good morning to everyone. I am Hero of 8th Standard. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a speech on the role of science in uplifting our nation. Science plays a vital role in uplifting our nation by driving economic growth, addressing global challenges, improving quality of our life. Science has the power to transform our life. In India, science has contributed significantly to various characters such as in agriculture sector, we have a new technique of infused in agriculture sector. Ayushman Bharat digital system have implemented and digital healthcare records and also infrastructure. PM e-Vidya have enabled and access to the education. Entrepreneurship and development of new industries to the economic growth. India has also faced many challenges through science and development.
I am from 8th standard. Today I am speaking about what is the role of science in upliftment of a country. So we all know that the role of science is a major role in upliftment of a country. We can see in a country in many sectors as education sector and agriculture sector, space sector. Let's take example as agriculture sector. We all know that the farmers in the fields, the farmers are harvesting by the use of some AI. So because of that, the country is developing. So we all know that day by day our nation is developing by the help of the science. And we can take the example as ISRO. ISRO it launched the Chandrayaan 3. Because of that, we know that what is happening, what is there.
A very pleasant morning to everyone. I am Smita of class 9 today here to start to tell about the role of science in upliftment of the nation. Science plays a crucial role in upliftment of the nation by driving the economic growth and the social security and the national security. First of all, the importance of the science. Without science, there is no development in our world. The science plays a crucial role in the development of education sector, agriculture sector, and all of this. We have to appreciate the role of science in the economic growth because in the agriculture sectors, the more population in the world has been increased when the less crop is there. When the crop is more, we have to get the same population in the world. So, the science is used to create the fertilizers, pesticides to improvement of the cropping. So, we have to appreciate the role of science. In agriculture sectors, it helps also here. In the world economic growth, the science has played a major role because it has been.
Good morning everyone, my name is Ayushman and I am from 9th standard. Today my topic is about the role of science in uplifting a nation. Science plays a crucial role in uplifting a nation by economic growth through technological innovation, advancements, and improving healthcare and quality of life, enhancing agricultural productivity, addressing agricultural environmental implements, and ultimately contributing to a more prosperous and sustainable society. So, scientific development. Scientific research leads to new technologies and industries. It plays a major role in the society by creating new jobs and various sectors like manufacturing and agricultural productivity. It also has a direct impact on the nation's technological advancements, economic development, social advancement, health and medicine, infrastructure development.
The role of science in our nation. Science plays a crucial role in uplifting a nation by driving technological advancements, improving healthcare with medical innovations, improving studies, education. NASA also depends on science.
The science and technology is considering is very crucial, and it is based on two types: public sectors and private sectors. Technology is divided into two types: material-based technology and knowledge-based technology. Material-based technology is nothing but it is embedded into inventions such as tools, satellites, electrical purposes, etc. Knowledge-based technology is nothing but such as technical knowledge, management skills, and other properties. The technology that is used in that is easily accessible, manageable, transferable, and within the people.
Okay, I am here to tell about role of science. Science means technology. Galileo is the meaning of science. The first scientific tool was a needle. NASA is also dependent on science. Science made many things, like example, cell phone, transportation, vehicles, and etc.
Class 6. Today I am representing about its role of science. Science is a subject which biology also research many things like satellites, rockets, and projects and many more.